dirt, I was pedal to the metal on the pedal wheels. All right, would y'all say we pick it back up just a little bit?
Hey, this one's fired in 32-135.
Fuck.
Shots fired, 4:15 a.m. Route 91, settling an automatic firearm.
Copy, so red at 169, immediate shots fired.
Freak 29, Adam arriving. 315 economy. 35 in traffic, in route code. 312 in traffic.
179 San Aegis coming from upstairs in the Mandalay Bay. Upstairs in Mandalay Bay, halfway up. I see the shots coming from Mandalay Bay. Halfway up. Patrol 361 IC. We have multiple 458. Great. Give me a surge. We have an active shooter. We have an active shooter inside the fairgrounds.
Trophy now 4, send me the active shooter on center, please.
Copy.
Come that direction.
There you go! Go that way! Go that way!
7 are you going to the closet? You have a call in a minute.
Perfect.
That's special event, you're going to have to move.
Control, this is DP just advising there are people down on stage left.
Call the police. Someone's playing a gun.
Okay, now how about 415A coming in? Yeah, there's an open line of a female saying there's a shooting.
I can't tell you what
Control, that is correct. Shots fired from Mandalay Bay. There's many people down. Stage left. Just be advised.
No, don't leave. Just stay down.
So if anyone's covering the southwest corner between Mandalay Bay and the Vendor. CP, I need eyes. Somebody in the CP, can you tell me where it is coming from? It's somewhere in Mandalay Bay, but at the intersection, it almost sounds like it's that close.
Alright, it's coming across from the whole part, so look at it in a circle. It sounded like an elevated position of the sky.
Something's going on.
790, you're right. I'm going to pull the truck to Mandalay Bay and the Boulevard. And just fire off is on me.
We have multiple casualties, GSWs in the medical tent. Multiple casualties.
Where's the security guard? What is he doing?
Control, be advised. Shots are coming from gate 7. Gate 7. Shots are coming from gate 7.
Sure doesn't seem like
Gate 7.
people are running.
159 SD, we have a rifle deployed. We're coming Mandalay Bay.
I don't know what's going on.
We're trying to see where the shots are coming from. If anyone can advise if they're coming from Mandalay.
It sounds like it's either Mandalay or Butler. We cannot tell.
So, Mary, we need the Boulevard shut down at Russell Road northbound.
I'm right here by the porch of Mandalay Bay, and everything just seems to be in order here.
Is there a unit that can shut down the Boulevard northbound at Russell?
175 Sam easy, I'll shut it down. I'm coming back that way.
Mandalay Bay, it's getting a little bit more faint, unfortunately.
790. Control.
Control, Sandy Davis. 164 Sandy Davis.
Now we're just all sitting.
Control 3, Mary, we need the Boulevard shut down north and southbound. Russell Road, Flamingo.
Mary, you got that.
Control 172, stand easy. 159 is coming from like the 50 or 60 or 4.
Alright, I'm leaving.
North
This is ridiculous.
of
I don't
the
know why
Mandalay
people
Bay,
aren't
it's coming out
leaving.
of window.
This is insane.
It's over 7970. We're seeing local flashes in the middle of Mandalay Bay on the north side, kind of on the west tower, but towards the center of the casino, like one of the middle floors.
It seems like it's coming from...
So if you're there in that hot spot, Mandalay Bay northbound, right outside Route 91, southeast.
For what's in right, so we've got multiple medical tent on that east side, multiple GSWs.
Is there a unit down?
314.
314.
I'm inside the Mandalay Bay on the 31st floor. I can hear the automatic fire coming from one floor ahead, one floor above us.
Copy. Is there a unit down?
seems
Just be
like it's
advised,
coming
it is
from up
automatic
there.
fire.
Oh,
Fully
shit.
automatic fire from an elevated position. Take cover.
That is correct. It's fully automatic fire. I'm right below it.
Multiple GSWs to the chest,
Alright, I'm out
legs,
here.
terminal arteries, at the medical tent. At the medical tent, 4A, off of Guile, south of Reno. M51, I see there's a flashing coming up from about a third of the way up, center tower, Mandalay Bay. Be quiet.
Control, we need all units stop coming
northbound on Las Vegas,
All right, all the
Las Vegas Boulevard because
all the
he's shooting
taxi
this way.
drivers
It's a
are
horrible
gone
cover fire.
Okay, all units do not go northbound.
We need some South Central. We need places done. Control 166, I have a gunshot victim at gate 4 in the leg. Control, I got one down, gunshot wounds to the leg.
All right, well, that's
Reno
Bay.
and Giles.
Oh my God, now there's
In the
cops everywhere.
intersection.
It seems
I
like
also
it's
have
coming
another
from
female.
like the 10th
Same
floor
traffic,
of
every
Mandalay
shot
Bay.
looks like in the mouth.
I don't
Reno
know.
Giles.
This is insane.
CP, we need to send medical when you can over to Reno and Giles. Expedited, please.
Okay, they're being advised.
Control 765. Just be advised that we're pinned down on the east side of Las Vegas Boulevard. And we are going to be just north of, we're just north of Mandalay Bay Drive, east of the boulevard. We got about 40 to 50 people. We're pinned against this wall. Right. We're taking gunfire. It's going right over our heads. There's debris coming over our heads. So we're pinned down here with a bunch of civilians. Control 166. I have a gunshot victim at gate 4. Gunshot to the leg. Okay, we can't worry about victims. We need to stop the shooter before we have more victims. Anybody have eyes on this shooter? About 15 4 on the Mandalay Bay, facing a whole lot. Control freeway in the right, UFC. We lost a shot. UFC.
Can you advise who was shot? Can any unit advise the officer that's been...
67 SC. We have multiple victims shot fired right at the medical tent. We got one shot in the head.
Shooting at the festival across from the Mandalay Bay. Please try to stay away. All right, so now
Hey,
you got
officers,
people
please
running.
stay calm. Just relax. We're trying to
You
get
got
this
people
set up.
climbing over the fence
Hey, just
there.
stay calm.
41797, I'm in the medical tent on the east side. We're making trying to get out of blankets, but I'm running out of blankets here.
Yeah, you got people climbing over the fence here at the festival and people running
Control,
around.
see if we can contact Mandalay Bay, have them shut down their elevators so he can't get mobile, and we can take the stairs and block all the stair exits. Control 224, go ahead and start getting all the in-the-box squads rallied to the South Central Air Command. Let's make that the CP for now, and we'll update as we go.
Okay, and I'm sorry, where do you want the CP at?
There's people running.
South Central.
Copy.
For copies, all calls.
I guess it was at the festival then, but it sounded like it was at Mandalay Bay. Yeah,
Control 3 nearing there, and I got multiple people moving. We're sending to the church off of Reno.
Alright. Okay.
Broken leg.
Broken leg.
Yeah,
okay. What happened? Is there something out there?
You know what happened?
Go. Okay. Alright. Oh God, there is an ambulance here. Okay.
We're going to make entry to the park. We
Are you kidding me?
contact them.
Alright. No.
We're 6 minutes. We're doing it right now. Second floor.
Okay, close the door. Close the door.
We'll make our way to give you support.
Okay.
Still firing. I will stand by.
Is everybody in?
Let me explain to you, I'm
Oh my God. Okay. All right. I'm going. Okay. Oh shit. Oh my God.
As fast as you can?
Yeah. Where are we going?
Are you fucking videotaping this shit?
Yeah.
Left the state with 100 people and one
They're
victim.
so bad. Okay.
There's thousands of people down.
Give me a target coming down
Okay,
there.
I'm
Command the South
going.
Central. Start putting together teams and then sending them to us.
Control 3, Mary. I'll be right.
There's a bunch of people.
Code 3.
I got a shot.
All right, here we go. Yes. It's somebody's.
1110 easy. We need to
Who's
shut
it?
down the boulevard.
Get off me.
Nelson, we have a bus coming through traffic with a line of fire. Tropicana Boulevard is being shut down.
All right.
Take us to the
No, I'm not going anywhere in Luxor.
Take us far away.
Oh my God.
He's
driving out of town.
Seriously, thousands of people are dead. Everybody's bloody.
You're kidding.
No, it's been a while since we've heard any shots.
I'm driving.
Does anybody have eyes on the
Here.
kids?
All right.
We have the Mandalay Bay locked down.
All right. Get out of the way. Good Lord.
720, we have people leaving the Comta going westbound trying to see if they can see the shooter and they're taking away from us break.
All right.
We need people to stop them leaving the Comta, putting us in the harm's way. Any officers responding to the east side and get people out and stop coming over the wall.
Festival.
Everybody shot.
Thousands shot. All right. Okay. I'm going. We're going. We're getting out of here. Yeah. I'm a girl, by the way, so.
Sorry, we're in the...
No, that's okay. It's okay.
Everybody's bloody.
Are you kidding? Oh my God.
There's going to be hundreds and hundreds of people dead.
Control
Oh
765, I need your radio for a minute. Be advised, we are taking fire from a very high floor we believe is possibly coming from the Mandalay Bay. Any officer that responds here is going to be in plain sight if he's going on the east side of Mandalay Bay.
Oh my God, I want to see
Every officer that comes up is going to be a target if they're driving on Las Vegas Boulevard because it's coming from the Mandalay Bay on the boulevard
Hey,
side.
somebody's got the door open. Somebody's door is open.
Look at my phone's all bloody. There's your people. I'm your kids are covered in blood.
Do not go on the boulevard. Do not go on the boulevard.
All right. I'm gonna. Where are you guys staying?
I don't know.
Just any hotel.
Any hotel.
Okay. I'm going.
You want to go to a hotel?
Any hotel.
You want to go to a hotel?
Yeah.
I'm just. Yeah. You're not. You're serious.
We're 100. We would not be lying if you didn't.
All right.
Flashes from Mandalay, but if it is coming from Mandalay, there is a strobe light coming from one of those windows on the east side.
Yes, me and Justin are together. We're okay. We're in a cab.
1,000 shots.
Oh my God. Okay.
Yeah, we're telling her to take as far as we can away.
Okay.
Are they okay?
Oh, yeah, they're both okay.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, I'm not having radio reception. I need another lieutenant to set up a command post on Las Vegas Boulevard and Tropicana. All units need to start staging so we can come from Tropicana and the Boulevard.
Is somebody?
None of us, I don't think, are shot, but just take
Well,
us.
somebody's. Yeah. Okay.
Control, Primary 35. We're getting from civilians saying that there might have been 3 shooters.
Mom?
Baby, where are you from, baby?
GT60, we've interviewed multiple people leaving in the concert venue that is on the north side of Hacienda, east side of Las Vegas Boulevard, saying that there are multiple people that have been shot or were shooting in this concert venue. Shut up a perimeter, Tropicana and Russell, and lock a good outer perimeter down, as well as evacuating victims. We need a perimeter now.
You know, I was over at the Mandalay Bay.
656, I'm arriving at
Is it
Trop
an
and
automatic
Boulevard now.
rifle
I
or
will
what?
establish our CP here.
Oh, shit.
And HP to shut down the I-15 off ramp to Tropicana, please.
All right, I'm gonna.
I got it.
Control 159 FB. I need the radio, please. I'm on the 32nd floor. The room is going to be 135, please.
Mom, I can't. I'm gonna
Trophy
attack
Mary.
you. Covered in blood. I'm okay.
UNC trauma, number 15280, shot in the shoulder wound, right shoulder. Swollen trauma now.
All right.
720, we need to shut down Frank's not good roll, release the Mandalay Bay.
The bonds down here.
So we're having her just take us as far
17978 to confirm 419s in the medical booth, multiple 419s.
There's a mass shooting. There were dead bodies
Good, it's Mandalay Bay talk.
dead bodies everywhere.
We're okay though, Linda. We're okay.
We're reporting on whether they're hurt or not. We
Okay, well,
got
I'm
a
going to New York. I'm taking you down here.
410
Okay.
vehicle going the wrong way, a white car. That's going down Las Vegas Boulevard, towards Mandalay Bay.
We're in a cab. They finally told us just to run, so Justin and I just ran as fast as we can, and we're just like stumbling over like dead bodies everywhere.
I don't want to touch
That is
it.
the Mandalay Bay.
I just want to let you know
This
that
is the Mandalay Bay, 32nd floor, room 135.
I honestly. Okay, but
That is affirmed. You have a four-man
she's
element.
taking us to a hotel.
Well, no, I'm just taking you down to the shopping center down here because we're going away from the strip.
Trying to go away from the strip.
on the east side of the building. I'm on
Justin and I are
Reno,
okay, so we're
just
Sean and
east
Jamie.
of the boulevard, on the east side of this building. I believe it may be a church. I've got numerous gunshot victims. I need medical in here, and I've got a five-man team to provide cover.
What's your guys' names? Oh my God, you have blood on your shirt. Yeah. Okay, I'm okay. I'm okay. Okay.
Control 389.
Yes,
I'm going to be in the stair. There's some other officers here. We got a lot of wounded. We're getting towards the Reno side, towards Scooter. We're going to need a couple of medical evacs in the center of the sound stage.
I'm a girl, for God's
We need
sake.
to spoke with security at Mandalay Bay. This
That's
thing has
okay.
shots fired on 29.
No, it's
and
okay. I didn't know what the fuck
32nd.
was going on.
Bullets above our head.
No, there was an
So,
AR.
for some 6 easy.
What's
We're
an
getting out on
AR?
his vehicles over here. I need
Okay,
to come by here. Walk first side.
I'm gonna let you
We
guys
have
out
about
here.
30 out here. No need to
Well, this is safe right here. Does anybody want to?
Should we just go into the Delta?
Yeah,
Let's go into the bonds. Let's go into the
I'll just give us
bonds.
the very nice decision on the 32nd.
Okay, I'm gonna
Stop us up at the front.
Girl, what do you want to do?
I don't want to go anywhere public. I just want to go into a room and close myself in a room.
Okay, well, I'm
182
gonna.
FD.
Well,
We have a
I'm
security
gonna.
officer also shot in the leg on the 32nd floor.
No, that's right. I'm not going back to that
Is
area.
there like a nice hotel around here?
Public
Not really.
I'll give you $100.
Stop talking.
Wait, what? $100? What?
I have kids.
For
$100
what?
to New York.
Control
Please. I have kids.
New York? You can't. You won't be able to get to New
Let's go
York.
lock
New
ourselves in
York.
the back room.
Stop, please talk to me.
Okay.
Talk for a second.
Okay, yes.
850 East Desert Inn Road. Is that okay?
Yes.
What is that?
East Desert Inn Road. That's
Yeah. Is somebody? Yeah, somebody's got money, right? Okay, that's fine. I'm not. No,
He shot down the hallway.
I'm not serious.
We're getting out. Get out. Okay, please, can we get out, please?
Yeah, go ahead.
And we have a four-man team up here, and we have another element coming to us. So we're going to have about 8 on the 32nd floor. We will need
No,
the
I don't think
29th
it's a joke
floor.
anymore.
It sounds like it's confirmed there are at least 2 shooters with fully automatic weapons.
What's happening?
Have you lost your shit? There's
There's
a lot of people fucking
I
Stage left, shut down. I have someone with me. I can shut down the lights on the venue.
I believe you.
Control 715 Zebra. Get somebody into a camera room and see if we can get cameras watching that 29 and 32nd floor.
Take you, I don't know, it's at $11 right
It's not
now.
my.
You'd be good to kind of work with the house.
Get in, I'll take you wherever you want to go.
Item 43, we have a 4-man unit. We're going to be standing by the bottom of Mandalay Bay. Trying to get some more rifles over here. Patrol 176, I'm easy. What about traffic going northbound on the boulevard? Control 3, item 33. We are going to surveillance right now. We're inside of Mandalay. We'll advise you when we get there.
Control 167, come easy. Please advise all units to have their vehicles locked. People are going into it trying to grab shotguns.
All units, make sure your vehicles are locked. Citizens are trying to grab shotguns.
Control 307 WC.
07 WC.
Is CP going to be at South Central Area Command or Trop on the Boulevard? There's conflicting orders.
Control 224, let's put the CP at South Central. We have logistics and we have the ability to have shelter through the building.
Copy. And we have units staging in the Boulevard and Tropicana.
Control 361, I need a unit to establish command. I'm pinned down with another officer in bad radio reception.
Copy. Is there a unit that can establish a command?
Control 3, Mary.
Very nice.
So there's still good traffic south on Boulevard 2.
184 SE. Control 399. There's multiple casualties. Stage right on the concert floor. So if we get that floor team in here, that'd be great. 176 AM easy. Please cut off traffic going northbound on Boulevard.
We need the northbound Boulevard shut down.